Hey, what's up YouTube? This video we got two chickens here. Combined they weigh 11 pounds, so about 5.5 pounds a piece. And we're going to kind of spatchcock them using the Dragon Riot kitchen shears. They're spring assist shears, and the link is going to be on Amazon. And so to do this, try to locate the spinal cord here. And the spring assist shears make this actually pretty easy to cut through. And then in the next video, what I'm going to be doing is actually vacuum sealing these so I can freeze one and sous vide the other with my Avid Armor chamber vac. So if you want to see that, the link will be in the description. And about that easy to get the first one out. And they say save that for chicken stock, but I've got a bunch of chicken stock in my freezer already, so I'm not going to do that this time. And the spring assist here really does make this really easy. And what makes this a little bit difficult is doing it with the camera here, but anyway. And now they can be flipped over and flattened out. Like I said, next video here, I'm going to get these seasoned up and I'm going to vacuum seal them. So if you do want to see the chamber vacuum in action, check out the next video. And last thing I'll say about these, now they're used or dirty, and they're going to go right in the dishwasher because they are dishwasher safe. So click the link, check these out. Pretty awesome. And I guess until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.